Hello everyone, my name is Alya with official number 35, and today we are going to learn about descriptive text. Have you ever described your friends, your favorite place, or your pet? If yes, then you have already used descriptive text. In this lesson, we will learn what descriptive text is, why we use it, its structure, and its language feature. We will also look at some example to help us understanding it better. So, let's get started. Before we begin, let's think about a few questions. Can you describe your friends? What does your favorite animal look like? And how about your classroom? Is it big or small? Well, when you're answering that question, you are actually describing someone or something in this what descriptive text help us to. Now, let's learn more about it. Before we start, let's look at our learning objective. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to understand descriptive text, identify its structure and language feature, use adjective correctly, and write a simple descriptive text. Now, let's discuss the main topic. A descriptive text is a text that describes a person, place, animal, or thing in detail. Its purpose is to help reader imagine what is being described. For example, my cat is small and white. It has blue eyes and soft fur. From this description, we can easily imagine the cat. That is the main function of descriptive text. Why we use descriptive text? So anyone or everyone. Purpose of descriptive text is has three. First is provide information about someone or something, and the second is help reader to imagine the object clearly, and three, it's allow us to express our feeling and impression. Therefore, descriptive text help us to make our writing more detailed and interesting. Now, descriptive text can be used in many situations. For example, when describing a friend, a pet, favorite place, or an object. The more detailed we prepare or provide, the easier is it for reader to understand and imagine what we are describing. Now, a descriptive text has two main parts. The first part is identification. In this section, introduces the person, place, animal, or thing being described. The second part is description. This section explains the characteristic, appearance, and qualities of the object. Together, these two parts helps organizes the information clearly. Now, we'll move to language feature. To write a good descriptive text, we need to understand its language feature. Descriptive text often use adjectives such as beautiful, friendly, tall, or smart. It also uses the simple present tense because it describes fact or general characteristic. In addition, linking verbs such as is, I'm, are, has, and have are commonly used too. This feature helps us make description more clear and more effective. Now, we move to example in text 1. Let's look at the first example, my best friend, with entitled My Best Friend. The identification introduces its Rosa as the writer best friend. The description explains her appearance and personality. Rosa is tall and slim, has a long black hair, and is kind and cheerful and smart. Notice how the reader used the adjective to give reader a clear picture of Rosa. Now, we move to example text 2. Now, let's look at the second example, my school. The identification introduced to someone's school. The description explains its facilities and environment, such as classroom, a library, and a garden. The writer also described the school as a clean and comfortable and friendly, and this style helps reader imagine the school more clearly and more style like that. So let's review. Before we finish, let's review what we have learned today. A descriptive text is describes a person, place, animal, or thing in detail. It has two parts, and where it has identification and description. It's also use adjective like linking verb and the simple present tense. These elements help reader understand, imagining what is being described. Well, that's all for today, listen. Today we will learn about definition, purpose, structure, and language feature of descriptive text. We also look at some example to understand how descriptive text is written. I hope this lesson help you understand descriptive text better and encourage you to practice writing your own description. Thank you for your attention. See you in the next lesson. Wait. But before that, let me give you some practice. Now, I hope you can write one thing you really love so much. Maybe your family or thing you have in the home. Please send your answer to the comment this video. Okay, see you in the next lesson, guys. Goodbye.